Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's an exciting day because we bought another car. And I know I said I wouldn't buy another car, but this is possibly the cheapest car I have ever bought and maybe the cheapest car that you can buy in Japan. It's about to be delivered. Daiki went to pick it up from the auctions this morning and it came with a year of registration for free. And I think the whole thing cost me, what was it? Like, I would say it's under $500 US. Which is crazy cheap, but are you excited? Another car for the channel?
I don't know if I am.
I don't even have to paint the car pink, it comes pink.
Yes, true.
That is exciting.
It is pink.
Maybe not that pink, but
It's manual.
it's manual.
And it has a lot of angle.
It does actually have a lot of angle, which I'm excited about, to some shenanigans. And it was cheap. Right now with the state of the world economy, I think we can all agree that it's very hard to justify spending any kind of money. But we're car guys, we still want to have a project car, we still want to have fun, do some kind of build, whether it's turbo superchargers or anything like that. And we want it to be budget, and we want it to be budget and fun. So I set out a goal with May to build the cheapest fun car that I could think of and come up with here in Japan. And I think it's something that you guys can also replicate anywhere else in the world. But without further ado, I think the truck's rocking up. So let's show everybody our new car. We currently have some construction going on out the front here. We're getting a grate and everything installed there for better drainage for when it storms really bad and when washing cars out the front. Also, the girls have been pretty busy with the retail store and getting a whole bunch of stuff here on the racks, and we got the Damn It SAMMIT tape there. Now's an amazing time to grab yourself some merch on sammit.net, guys. We also just dropped a brand new racing team pack. Make sure you go to the website and place your pre-order now. It looks sick. It's up here on the screen. Check it out. Go to sammit.net. Well, let's get back to this brand new car because I think Daiki's gonna be here any moment now. I think he's coming, May.
Yeah.
I think it's here. Woo! I'm excited. New car vibes. Here she is. Oh man. Is that what you expected it to look like?
It kind of looks spacier than my car, honestly.
It does look a little bit. It looks like it's got more room than the Swift. You're not wrong. This is the new wagon R, guys. I am so excited. Let's get this thing off the truck and let me tell you our plans with this bad boy. This is possibly the cheapest car that you can buy in Japan right now. And it's already pink. You know, this might be the dumbest purchase I've ever made. But then again, I thought the Bogan 32 was gonna be the dumbest thing I ever bought, and that turned out to be the best thing ever.
Best thing ever. It hasn't even blown.
No, that thing won't die, and I'm mad about it.
Live 2 days straight driving.
No, non-stop. No, it's been amazing. I'm so excited.
Are you gonna fit in the car?
Yes.
We're gonna make a hole? Okay.
There's a problem with me fitting. I was gonna say, that sounds like a conversation we've had before, but...
Hey, hey, hey.
Look, we don't even have to go all the way down. Watch out. Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh.
Wait, why is it smoking so much?
You look so funny in there, Sam.
You're still smoking?
Nope.
No, it's just because it was on the truck. You know what I love about this? It's the racing edition. See?
No.
Wagon R.
No, the R stands for Sam.
You can't say that, mate. That's not a word you can actually. Look, it's the racing edition because of the R. Wagon R. Wagon racing edition. That's what that totally means. 100%.
Really?
I have no idea. Look, there's a little bit of bumper damage there, you know, she took a hit or two. There's a few scratches and dings. Like, I mean, dude, look at
What's
all
the inside?
space.
What is the inside? Wow.
It's pretty good. Look at that, room for activities. Yeah, check it out, you jump in. It's not bad, right?
Oh, very spacey. Much spacier than the Swift.
Which is kind of sad.
I know.
It's kind of sad. Daiki, what do you think? You excited? Yeah, he has no idea what's going on. He doesn't even know half of the time what's happening at work. It's great.
What is this smell?
I don't know.
Can you smell that?
This smells fine.
No, it doesn't.
Look at these cup holders. Double cup holders. You know you like 90s car when you're excited.
Like...
It does smell a little weird. Oh yeah, you gotta have your foot on the clutch, mate, if you want to start it. Oh, it has working AC though. Jump. What? What?
It smells like cat piss.
Oh, it does. It smells like cat pee. Hang on.
Let's look at the air filter.
Let's pull out the cabin filter. Hang on. It'll be here. So this is actually like an every wagon. So it's the same engine and everything that's in my K-van. Look how easy this is. Was this ever changed?
Oh my god, I can smell.
You can smell it? Is it that bad? Oh yeah, that's pretty bad.
Oh.
No, it doesn't smell bad. You smell it. Maybe there was just cats in here before. The air filter doesn't smell that bad.
It doesn't.
Yeah. So why do the vents smell like cat pee?
Because with dead rats.
No, yeah, if that's actually rat pee, then this car's probably diseased.
Look at his Daiku's face.
Daiku's loving it. All right. Hang on, does it come with a free disc? That would be baller if it did. So, all right. So all jokes aside, there's no jokes. Like, we are literally building this K car into a fun all-around car. Now, we need to go over the specs of this thing. And I wanted to make sure we didn't start with something kind of cool, right? So this is manual, right? I guess that's kind of cool because it's an MT and it's hard to get a manual car these days. As you can see, the front is actually the same headlights that are used in my Suzuki Every K-Van. It has the exact same engine, which is the K6A, I think that's its model name, but this is NA, which means that we can potentially boost this. I think that goes there, yeah. We can boost this. There's a lot of room for activities down there. It's a little 3-cylinder, 660cc. Should be fun. When was the last time the air filter was cleaned? Look at the little cute throttle body. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yeah, I think that just lifts up. Like, what the hell is that? Daiki. I've never seen this in my life before. Hold this.
Yeah.
What
is
the hell is that? Daiki, what did I just find? This is the weirdest thing I've ever found in a car to date.
Yabai yo, imano.
Yabai yo. How does this come off? How does the rest?
There's clamps on it.
Got the air filter off. What on earth? Why are there?
What is that?
Rocks. I'm so confused. And what are these? This is the weirdest thing, Daiki, I've ever found in an air filter. Look at this. Look at this. Ready? What are these? And why are there rocks inside? There's rocks inside of this. What the? Like, are they rock? It's like seashells too.
Maybe you know how some people, I don't know about in the States, but in Japan, you know, they believe in like powers and rocks and stuff.
They used to be inside this. Look, it was a bag full of rocks that was zip tied up, but it got a hole in it and they all fell out.
What the hell? What?
So this is actually a video I really want to make soon. There's a bunch of scamming in Japan where they try to convince people that, oh, if you put this little red thing on your battery or in your engine airbox, it will make your car faster and perform better and, you know, use less fuel. Like, you think that there's some scam things around magnets going on fuel lines and stuff on eBay. It's a whole nother level here in Japan, and we need to investigate it because this is nuts. If someone sold this person a couple zip-tied bags of rocks to put in their air filter, I'm mind blown right now. I am absolutely mind blown. Like, you took this out and ran in the car, it'd suck those in and destroy the whole thing. This is insane. Also, just this is so weird. Also, that throttle body is so cute. Look how tiny this thing is. Look at that little guy. Look at that little guy. Don't know if you can see it in there, it's tiny. Anyways, so the goal is, 1, to make this thing fast. 2, to have fun while we're doing it. Regardless, this is gonna end up being boosted. We're gonna do some cool stuff with it, and I'm gonna keep everything crazy cheap. Even if I end up putting a Link ECU on this to tune it, it's gonna be the cheapest model ECU that we can. Even if it's an older version or something like that, we're gonna figure it all out from scratch, wire it ourselves, and I'm gonna keep check on how much this whole thing is. So, starting off, we have spent a total, I actually think it may be less than $500 US, but we will put it on the screen, but for now, I'm gonna say we've spent $500 on this bad boy. And that's where we're starting. And my goal is that we will have a boosted, fun car for under $2 grand is my goal. That's my goal. Let's see what we can do. If we go over the budget a little bit, I'm sorry. But for now, Let's go take this thing for a rip, but let's get these rocks out of the air intake first. Don't you get the vacuum cleaner? Let's suck them out. This is nuts. Oh man, I've seen
It
some weird
almost
stuff.
looks like the cat ones, you know?
Maybe that's where the smell's coming from.
Yeah, you know what I mean? It almost looks like it.
Ah, they don't smell like they've all fallen out.
How
They've all
about
got
this
holes
one?
in it. No, that's fine. That's like a brand new filter. I've never seen this before. If anyone knows what this is from, please tell me. But also, yeah, cats have been peeing on this for sure. Yeah, that's what that smell is. It's just around the vent. It'll go away. We'll spray it with some vinegar and it'll be mint.
Huh?
You guys like the sticker? This used to be an old S from a SAMMIT logo on Daiki's car, but we figured this is called the Big Suck, so we put the big S on it. These cars are actually pretty cool though, because they're based off map sensors, not airflow sensors. So maybe the stock ECU will handle a little bit of boost. I'm not sure though. We'll see. Obviously when we get to it. But we've got to get this air filter on first. Which may be harder than it seems. Oh, I got it, I think. Maybe. He's got the right idea. Can I check how much oil this has?
Important.
We know friends that have bought K cars from the auctions and never checked oil and they blew up on the first drive because they were low on oil. K car engines burn a little bit of engine oil. It's just how they work. This looks like there may be actually almost no oil in this thing. Always K cars, man. Always check them. They burn oil. It's just how they work. Let's see. Check one more time. 1, 2, 3. It's below the low.
Oh no!
Like you can get some extra oil. Put some oil on this before we start reaching on this thing. We've topped up the oil. I've done my first power mod. We ripped out the air filter, cleaned all the rocks out. So now this thing should be making at least 20 extra horsepowers. Let's go and take this thing for a rip. See what May thinks. Ready for the first drive?
Yeah.
Try to put up with the smell. We should have gotten one of our Sakura or pumpkin spice air fresheners, but we already closed the retail store for today. For those of you wondering, yes, you can visit the HQ when you're visiting Japan. It has to be Monday to Friday and between working hours, and it's already past 5 o'clock, which is when we close it, so. Manual, feels good. Oh, it already feels more responsive.
Does it?
That could also be the placebo effect, you know? I don't know. That's not bad. A little bit of a shudder there when we take our foot off the clutch. Maybe it's got one of those high performance clutches.
You know what? The suspension on this is pretty baller.
Baller? You know it's all shot, right? Because it's
Really?
bouncing so much.
I like it.
It's actually broken.
I like it.
You like how bouncy it is? It's
Yeah.
definitely shot. It's definitely broken. It's like bouncing and moving.
It's better than the one in your K-van.
Well, that's because it's got high performance coilovers in my K-van.
Yeah, that broke. It unscrewed itself.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. It did. We fixed it though. That was just because we were going too hard.
Woo!
What?
I thought it was a big
Oh, there is.
mosquito.
There's a big mosquito in here. It's still alive. Dang it. I don't know where it went. Anyway.
It's right there.
Yeah. Oh. That is a huge mosquito, guys. What the hell?
Came with a free mosquito.
What the hell is that? That is massive. Automatic windows? Man, this thing is gangsta. How does this? Dude, you cannot buy cars for under $500 that are running, driving, and good. And,
pretty good.
130,000 kilometers. That's, I don't even know how many miles that is, but that's low.
It's pretty good and it's very spacey.
Oh, kind of pepty. This thing kind of rips.
The shifter here is pretty baller too.
It is, it is. Oh, we could, if we end up building this, nice. This could be like a contender for the K-car race.
You know what I want to do?
What?
I want to take it to Minami
And jump it in the
and
rally?
jump it in the rally. I would do it.
That would be actually fun. Although, I'd make sure this had a roll cage first. But I think this thing's gonna be fun. Knowing that this is NA and still this peppy. It's not bad. It's actually, not that
How
bad.
many liters was this?
It's not liters, it's 660
Oh,
cc.
it's not liters.
It's just over half a liter.
Oh,
I like this thing. This is actually kind of cool.
you got a lot of space here.
Yeah,
too.
actually, a lot
more
of
than the
it's like-
Sylvia.
this is actually better than my K-Van.
Yeah.
One thing I've noticed is the steering wheel doesn't have any adjustment to go up and down, so that's a little bit of a downer. But the seat's fully adjustable, so that's nice. 2 cup holders, and they're like 1,000 horsepower cup holders. They'll actually hold your drink. I can't really complain. I'm actually pretty impressed with this car. It definitely needs new suspension. The suspension's really shot. It's bouncing like crazy.
Really? I like
It
it.
just constantly, like down the road, it's going like this.
Isn't that what you want? A little squat going?
No. Otherwise though, not bad. You want to drive it?
No, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Not yet.
Alright.
I will follow with the build, and once I feel like I'm ready to do it, I will jump on this car.
Oh, the turning radius is so good.
Yeah. Why do you do that?
I'm just testing that the e-brake works. It's good. It's good. It works great. All right. I think that this was an incredible investment for the channel. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. I think it's gonna be great. Can we get the NOS bottles going now? Yeah, a little. Is it knocking? Nah, I think that's just it vibrating. Yeah, it's just the box. Okay, thank God.
It went to.
Let me break this down for you guys. $500, working AC, manual. It drives and runs. A year of registration. It doesn't get much better than that. I'm stoked. We've now got the wagon R ready to go on the lift for the next video where we're gonna be boosting it for the first time. Well, hoping to boost it. You'll see in the next video what's going on, but I do promise you, our plans are to boost this thing, make it fun, make it fast, make it also look cool, all for under 2,000 USD. I'm pretty sure we can do it. Let me know some tips down in the comment section, what kind of mods and things you want to see me do. I really want this to be a car that you guys can all relate to, that you guys can go and spend a bit of money and have some fun with too, and really just show you guys it's not always about the crazy expensive 1,000 horsepower, 3.4 liter builds and all that stuff on YouTube. Don't get me wrong, I love doing this stuff and it's cool and whatnot, but I want to go back to my roots, and this is going to remind me of that. Playing with Nissan Pulsars, trying to make as much power as we can and just have as much fun with what we have at a crazy cheap budget. Hope you guys are excited for this little build series. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I've already got a couple packages over there and I can't wait to start messing around with them. Once again, let me know what you wanna see us do with this. Give me some tips and some pointers, and I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget, go to SAMMIT.net, go grab yourself some merch and pre-order the new racing team pack, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Oh, like, comment, share, subscribe. That one too, that's important.
Oh.
Wait, why is it smoking so much?